Richard Reyes Fulkerson Jr., born January 2, 1992, known professionally as Alden Richards, is a Filipino actor, television presenter, entrepreneur, and film director, known for his leading roles in romantic and historical dramas. His accolades include 5 PM PC Star Awards for movies, 6 PM PC Star Awards for television, 8 Box Office Entertainment Awards, 2 FAMAS Awards, a Seoul International Drama Award, a Jinseo Arigato International Film Festival Award, a Golden Screen Award, and an Ani NG Dangle, in addition to nominations for a Gawad Yurian and to Metro Manila Film Festival. Richards' acting career began in the fantasy drama Alakdana, which marked his first screen appearance. His breakthrough was in the romantic drama One True Love with Luis de los Reyes. He rose to stardom in the romantic comedy sketch Calisiri opposite Maine Mendoza, known popularly as Alden. His commercially successful films include A Engi Panday 2, Si Ajamat, Si Enteng Kabasot at Siako, My BB Love, Kilig Pamor, Imagine You and Me, and 5 breakups and a romance, including Hello, Love, Goodbye, and Hello, Love Again, which are among the highest grossing Filipino films of all time. As a recording artist, he received several awards and nominations for his albums. His extended play, Wish I May, was certified diamond record by Perry, making it one of the best-selling albums in the Philippines. He also ventured into production, co-producing films, concert events. Beyond his work in the entertainment industry, he devoted his time supporting various charitable causes, particularly in the area of literacy and education. He is the founder of AR Foundation, Inc., a scholarship program that helps underprivileged students finish college. Richards serves as a member of Molfund, Inc., Board of Trustees since 2023. He is also overseas Workers' Welfare Administration Global Ambassador. Richard Reyes Fulkerson Jr. was born on January 2, 1992, in Quezon City and raised in Sta. Rosa, Laguna to Richard Peralta Fulkerson Sr. and Rosario Reyes Fulkerson. He is the second child in the family with an older brother and 2 younger sisters. He is of American descent through his father, who is half Filipino and half American, and his American paternal grandfather. His grandfather died in California when he was 3 years old. He studied at Paco Catholic School in Manila but transferred to another school when his family moved to Laguna. He graduated high school from Colegio de Santa Rosa de Lima. In college, he attended De La Salle University, Canlabang, with a degree in business administration. But his studies was put on hold when his mother died of pneumonia in 2008. To help his family financially, he pursued his mother's wish for him to become an actor and adopted the stage name Alden Richards. Richards has enrolled in aviation school to fulfill his childhood dream of becoming a pilot. He is a mountaineer, an avid runner, a recreational cyclist, and a gamer enthusiast. His hometown is Santa Rosa, Laguna, although he is currently living in Quezon City. Personal life. Richards credited his maternal grandmother, Linda Reyes, with rearing him in the Catholic faith. According to Richards, he would visit 7 churches, read the epic poem Passion, and watch Christian-themed films such as The Passion of the Christ, The 10 Commandments, Jesus of Nazareth, and the Gospel of John during Lent. He admitted that his faith kept him grounded. On December 5, 2023, he shared his personal struggles with depression for 3 months and considered leaving showbiz. He also expressed of wanting to deepen his relationship with God, whom he neglected during his downtime. Business. In 2016, Alden ventured in his first food business and opened Conca's Garden, a restaurant in Tagate. From a single branch, the restaurant now has a total of 6 branches located in Siling, Cavite, and Tagate. He also opened his very own franchise of McDonald's with branches in Bigan and Santa Rosa, both in Laguna. He is a co-owner of Stardust, a restaurant located in Makati. In 2022, he established his own multimedia company, Myriad Entertainment Corporation, a company that organized the reunion concert of rock band Eraserheads entitled Huling El Bimbo, where Richards served as the co-producer. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.